Hello friends, welcome to Options Trader.
Hello friends.
Today I'll try a challenge where I grow a small $100 account to as much as I can. Kindly subscribe and like this video. So this strategy uses indicators. First of all, let me go through the settings. I use candlesticks. The duration is 1 minute. For the expiration time, I use 1 minute flag mode. Then I'll add indicators. I add 3 moving averages and the fractal. So for the first moving average, I set the period to 9. So this will be our slow moving average. Change the color to yellow and increase our thickness. We will set the period to, this is a faster moving average, we will set the period to 4. Then change the color to blue, increase our thickness, and then save. And for our third moving average, we will set the period to 100. So these are trend indicator, it will be showing us the trend. And then leave everything else as it is, and save to take a trade. So our 100 SMA has to be above the markets, so it has to be above. Then our faster moving average, which in this case is our blue moving average, has to cross below our yellow moving average, and a fractal has to be printed above. That way we can take a sell trade. Our fast moving average has to cross above our slow moving average, which is in this case our blue has to cross above our yellow. The 100 moving average has to be below, and a fractal has to form. So finally we found an opportunity here. Let's wait for the cross and I'll take a trade. As you can see, our 100 SMA is above, our printable has printed, and our slow moving average is about to cross below our yellow moving average. We also have a clear downtrend. I took my first trade. Let's wait for the results. That was a win, guys. Let me increase the stake and look for another opportunity. So guys, I think I found my second trade. The cross has happened. Let's go with the buyers. So clearly, as you can see, we are clearly in an uptrend. Let me throw something for you guys. So here, let me show you. So this candle created for us a higher high as compared to the previous high. That's why I drew that line for you to see, and that gives us more confidence to take this trade. Given that we are in an uptrend, all our indicator rules have been met, so we expect this candle to close as a green candle. That's a winning trade, guys. So if I found another opportunity, guys. Let's go with the buyers. So I take my trade with the buyers. So all our indicator rules have been met, and there's another reason there's another thing I want to show you guys. So right here we have this demand area right here, and okay, so the demand area created a very good momentum, as you can see here, to the upside, and once the market came back to that area, we are expecting the market to continue moving up. That is why I'm telling you that with this strategy you will also need some technical analysis. So if you're still learning, or you want to learn more so that you can be profitable, you can get in touch with me through my Telegram, free. Let's continue. I'm waiting for a crossover and I'll take a buy trade. Our cross has happened and I've taken a trade with the buyers. So as we can see, we also have a very clear and beautiful uptrend. That's why I'm quite confident that this will be a winning trade. Market option, I leave the link to the broker in the description, and also you can find my Telegram channel link in the description as well. That was a winning trade, guys. Let's continue. So here I took a trade with the sellers. Our fast moving average has crossed below our slow moving average. The fractal has formed, and also for the market we have a market sequence where we have created, after every green candle we have a red candle. So after this green candle, I'm expecting this candle to be red as well. Let's wait. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, guys. So let's see. So that was a beautiful win. See you guys in the next video.